Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Leilani. Now imagine being able to slow down or even reverse the clock on aging. Sound too good to be true? Well, stick around because today I'm sharing the top 5 science-backed secrets to aging smarter, not harder. If you don't know me, I'm Leilani. I'm a clinical nutritionist, a chef, and a really busy mum, and I'm here to help you get healthy at home by simplifying the science and making great gut health and overall wellness easy, fun, fast, and practical in just minutes a day. So what is biological age and why should you care? Well, it's not about how many candles are on your birthday cake. It's about how young or old your cells are behaving. So you might be 40 on paper, but 60 in your mitochondria. And nobody wants that. And the mitochondria are the teeny tiny powerhouses in every cell, and they produce the energy. Think of them as the CEO of your cells. And here's the kicker. They're the major factor in how fast or slow your body ages, inside and out. So dysfunctional mitochondria don't just make you tired, they're linked to a lot of major diseases. But the good news is we can boost their function, repair the cell's damage, and even trigger your body's natural healing systems. It's like hitting the reset button on aging. So, hack 1, hot and cold therapy. It isn't just a trendy wellness hack. It's been around for centuries, and there's a reason why. Cold exposure activates brown fat, the good fat packed with mitochondria that burns energy like a champ. And meanwhile, saunas ramp up circulation and activate heat shock proteins which repair those damaged cells. You still skeptical? A Finnish study found that regular sauna use reduces the risk of heart attacks and cardiovascular disease by up to 40%. So, cold showers don't just wake you up, they make your mitochondria more resilient. Translation, you're not just aging slower, you're upgrading the turbocharged version of yourself. So a practical tip, start small. End your shower with 30 seconds of cold water and then gradually work up to a minute or 2. Feeling adventurous? Try a cold swim or hit up one of those recovery centers for contrast pools and the saunas. It's a quick and powerful way to boost your body's resilience. Hack 2, intermittent fasting. Why it works. Intermittent fasting, and no, it's not about starving yourself. It's about giving your body the chance it needs to clean up shop and recharge. When you fast, you activate a process called autophagy, which is like sending your dirty cells to the dry cleaners. And they get rid of old damaged parts and replace them with shiny new ones. Basically, it's like trading in your old wagon for a sleek new sports car that has a lot more power. So when you fast, your body shifts from using glucose for energy to burning fat. This is a process called ketosis. It not only helps with weight loss, but it triggers some incredible anti-aging benefits. Fasting reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, which means your mitochondria, those little powerhouses, can work more efficiently. Better mitochondria equals better energy production and fewer harmful byproducts like free radicals that actually accelerate aging. David Sinclair, one of the leading researchers in anti-aging, calls it a refresh button on your cells. And animal studies show that intermittent fasting not only extends the lifespan, but improves markers on health of blood sugar levels and insulin. And for weight loss, fasting creates a calorie deficit, but it also stabilizes hormones like insulin, ghrelin, which control hunger and fat storage. It's like tackling aging and weight loss with one powerful tool. So, practical tip. Start simple. Start with a 12 to 14 hour fasting window. It's an easy way to begin, so you'll finish dinner by 7 p.m. and have breakfast after 7 or between 7 and 9 a.m. If you feel good, you can extend it to 16 to 18 hours. And the best part, there's so many ways to fast. Check out Mindy Pelz, or just have a good Google search. There's so many different ways, and they all are great. Hack 3, get your gut in better shape. So, all right, folks, I'm the gut health girl. So did you know that the gut isn't just about digesting your favorite tacos? It's a major player in how you age. Scientists call it your second brain for a really good reason. It's packed with trillions of microbes that do everything from boosting your mood to supercharging your immune system. But here's the plot twist. They're also deeply connected with anti-aging. So why does gut health matter for anti-aging? Here's the deal. Your gut microbiome, aka the community of bacteria, I know that word is scary, but other microorganisms, let's call them microbes, living in your gut produce compounds that directly impact inflammation and oxidative stress and your mitochondria. All those things result in aging. So a happy gut means better mitochondrial function, less damage to your cells, and slower aging process. The gut's influence doesn't stop there. Healthy bacteria produce the holy grail of substance called short-chain fatty acids, like butyrate. And they're like superfood smoothies for your cells. So those magical molecules repair your gut lining, reduce chronic inflammation, again, the major culprit in aging, and even improve the communication between your brain and your gut. It's like upgrading your body's operating system to the latest version. I don't know if you can hear that bird out there. Hopefully it's not too loud. To be more youthful and efficient. Let's get real about how incredibly complex the gut is. We're talking about an ecosystem with trillions of bacteria, more than the number of stars in our galaxy, all working 24/7 to keep you thriving. These little workers don't just help with digestion, they play a role in hormone regulation, immunity, mental clarity, and yes, even how your skin glows. It's like the world's most high-tech factory right inside you, and you have a lot of control of how healthy you are just by the way you eat. So it's not just as simple as grabbing a yogurt or popping a probiotic pill. Different people need different approaches based on their diet, stress levels, sleep patterns, and their current microbiome ecosystem. So actually, I've poured a ton of time into creating a comprehensive guide. It's called the Nutritionist Step-by-Step Program for great gut health for busy people. And it's just designed to make gut health practical on an everyday basis, and it's a step-by-step program. So the link will be in the description down below. Go and check it out. One of the easiest ways to supercharge your health, your gut health, is adding some of the top food sources for your good gut bugs. Do you know what it is? Prebiotic fiber. And there's tons of them out there, but one of the cheapest and most cheerful options are legumes or beans. So a spoonful of hummus or some beans in a curry or anything that you're making can work wonders for your microbiome's health. Quick, easy, and oh so gut friendly. For more simple ways to get the best gut healthy foods into your diet every day without the fuss, follow me on Instagram, Chef Leilani, or keep following my cooking classes. I talk a lot about how to implement good gut health from everyday foods for all your family. So like, subscribe. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. Hack 5, breathwork. Now, breathwork might sound really simple, but it does have the word work in it, but you can do it in a few minutes a day. I mean, after all, we breathe all day without thinking about it, but when it's done intentionally, it's a game changer for your cells and also your nervous system. Controlled breathing doesn't just help you relax, it actually helps boost the health of your mitochondria. And that will help reduce the oxidative stress, which is that key driver in aging. Here's how it works. Breathwork techniques like deep diaphragmatic breathing increase oxygen delivered to your cells, and that helps your mitochondria produce energy. It's pretty simple, really, and you can do it on YouTube. Just Google breathwork, 5 minutes. This helps your mitochondria produce energy more efficiently, cutting down harmful byproducts like free radicals. And free radicals are that unstable molecule that damage your cells. And too many of them lead to oxidative stress. Now, for all my study nerds out there, a study published in the National Academy of Sciences found that controlled breathing techniques not only improve mitochondrial function, but also reduce inflammation. Breathwork can actually stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, which is your body's way of making new mitochondria. More mitochondria means more energy and better cell function. So a practical tip. This technique is super simple, and I do it sometimes if I'm just in the car and have a few minutes or even a few seconds at a light. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and then just repeat this for a few minutes or as long as you have. You'll feel more calmer, more focused, and like your cells, just got a little boost of energy. The longer you do it, the better you will feel. Hack 5, physical activity. This might be the last on the list, but believe me, it is arguably the most powerful anti-aging tool. Physical activity is like charging up your internal battery. It stimulates that mitochondrial biogenesis, that fancy term, more mitochondria, more energy, a younger you. And you can do exercise in even a few minutes a day, and it doesn't have to be hardcore. It can be a walk on the beach or HIIT training, anything that gets you outside, gets you breathing, gets you a little bit pumped. A study published in Nature showed that just regular moderate exercise like walking or lightweight training can significantly improve your mitochondrial function. It also activates AMPK, a key enzyme that helps clean out damaged mitochondria and triggers the production of fresh, healthy new ones. This process slows down something called inflammaging. Yeah, that's a real term, where chronic inflammation accelerates aging. So, practical tip, I know life gets busy between work and kids and trying to remember where you left your phone, and even exercise can feel so impossible. But the good news, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be long. It just has to happen. So get your kids involved, your family involved. When I'm sitting at my desk, I set a timer every hour when I'm working. When it goes off, I jump on my mini trampoline for a song, and I do a little workout or with a skipping rope every hour. And I actually can think better when I'm at my computer after that. And if you can't fit in a long walk, actually most of the benefits come from the first 5,000 steps. So grab a friend and head to the park or go for a beach walk, because walking outdoors is a really good way to clear your mind and get some vitamin D. Or you could join a fitness class or a walking group, or what was the one my friend went to? Unfit Run Club. So if you're like me and you just have 15 minutes a day to spare, squeeze in a Pilates session on YouTube. I follow Boho Beautiful. She's amazing. It's short and sweet, but that's pretty much the only exercise I do. All right, there you have it. 5 science-backed hacks to slow down aging and turn back your biological clock. So let's recap. Embrace hot and cold therapy. Give fasting a try. Nurture your gut. Practice a little breath work and get moving. So don't do them all at once. Your challenge this week is to pick one and try it out. Share your experience with your comments below. And if you've got your own anti-aging tips, I want to hear those too. Drop them in the comments so we can all learn from each other. Thanks for watching today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, share it with someone who wants to age like fine wine, not like a forgotten banana. Until next time, stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video.